All right, when we're looking at pictures involving shapes, it's important to think about what all the other measurements are. So for example, in this rectangle, how this side is x and it is 2. This side is also made up of an x and a 2. Those little lines to help denote that this piece of it is x, this piece right here, and this piece is 2. The same way along the bottom, I've got x and 6. The top is also going to be x and 6. So perimeter we know is 100 units. Perimeter is made up of adding all the sides together. So in this case, I've got x plus 6 for the bottom side, plus 2 plus x for this side, or x plus 2, order doesn't matter, plus 6 plus x, plus x plus 2. So if I add up all 4 sides together, my perimeter needs to be 100 units. And so from this point onwards, we are just solving the equation. So I'm going to start by combining all of my like terms. So I've got x, 2, 3, 4. So that's 4 x's. Plus 6 plus 2 plus 6 plus 2 is going to be plus 16. That's all my like terms over here, equals 100. I'm going to solve like normal. So I'm going to minus 16 from both sides to give me 4x equals 84. Divide by 4, divide by 4, and I get that x equals 21 units. In the triangle over here, this one's a little bit different because it doesn't ask for perimeter, it asks for area. Remember, area of a triangle is 1/2 times the base times the height. So perimeter is adding up all the sides. In a triangle, the area is 1/2 times the base times the height. So let's fill in what we know. I know that the area is 28 units squared. I know that that is 1/2 times the base is 7 because it's 5 and 2. So 1/2 times 7 times the height is x. I don't know what the height is yet. So I can combine some like terms, or in this case, I can do this multiplication right here. So this is 28 equals 3.5x, because 1/2 times 7 is 3.5. From here, I can divide both sides by 3.5, divide by 3.5, and I get that x is 8 and 8 units, because they haven't given us a measurement.